In this video, you are going to see how to start page number from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Here I have 7 pages and I have written the page number manually, so you will understand the video very easily. Suppose I want to start my page number from the page number 3 or page number 4. So what is the exact way actually? Let's get started. Let us go to insert, go to page number, go to bottom of the page. Let us choose this option. Click on over here, and here you will see the page number has been started from the page 1. Let us zoom in and you will see it carefully. 1, 2, 3. But I want the page numbering from the page number 3. So what is the exact way actually? Let us click on the last of the page number 2. Then go to layout, go to breaks and click on under the section break, click on next page. Now click on the footer, and here you will see under the header and footer option there is an option link to previous. Let us uncheck it. Then go to over here page number, go to format page number and click on start at and write here 1 and click on OK. Then here you will see the page number again starting from 1 and the 2 and the 3. And let us go to from here the before of the third page and remove this by clicking the backspace. And let us close header and footer, and you will see the page number is starting from the page number 3, and here I have no page number. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.